This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV model and firmware because many fixes depend on exact software. Check the YouTube app version so you know if an update is needed. Once done, test the network. If Wi-Fi is weak, power cycle the router, and if possible, plug an Ethernet cable for stability. Now power cycle the TV by unplugging it for 60 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure to note any error message on screen so you can reference it in the next steps. Next, update the TV firmware and the YouTube app because outdated software often breaks streaming. If the built-in updater fails, download the official firmware to a USB and install manually. This fixes corrupted system files. Clear the YouTube app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app to remove bad app data. For persistent connectivity issues, reset network settings and try a static IP or set DNS to 8. These steps isolate whether the problem is app, TV software, or To finish, reboot the router and the TV again and then open YouTube to test. Doing one change at a time helps identify the solution. If another phone or laptop streams fine on the same network, the issue is localized to the TV and you should repeat app reinstall or firmware recovery. If everything fails, capture the model, firmware, and error codes, then contact Samsung support. One key tip: if YouTube shows a sign in loop, unlink your TV from your Google account and reauthorize it to reset the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.